Have you ever unlocked your phone with just a glance? Or had a camera autofocus on a face in a photo? This isn't magic. It's facial recognition technology, incredible breakthrough in modern computing. This video will reveal the secrets of facial recognition,
unlike anything we've
from
seen
initial
before.
face scans to sophisticated AI algorithms. Let's begin with the first step, face detection. How does a computer spot a face in an image? It uses advanced machine learning algorithms trained on millions of images of faces and non-faces. The system searches for common facial features: the shape of eyes, nose, mouth, and their exact spacing. When it detects this pattern, it confirms a face is present. This is the foundation of all recognition systems. Telling the computer a face exists. Next is a crucial step, face normalization.
Perfect.
This phase is vital for accurate processing. The face is rotated, resized, and adjusted for lighting to ensure optimal analysis. This allows the system to work accurately. Even if you're angled or wearing a hat, the goal is to create a standardized face template for easier comparison later. Now, the core process, facial feature extraction. This is where the computer analyzes your face. Instead of storing the entire image, it extracts only unique facial characteristics. These include the distance between eyes, nose width, cheekbone shape, and jawline contour, known as landmarks or facial features. They form a unique blueprint of your face. These features are converted into a numeric string, a digital fingerprint for your face. Once the digital fingerprint is ready, the next step is face matching. The system begins comparing data. It rapidly compares the new digital fingerprint to a database of stored face data for phone unlocking. It matches your face to the owner's securely stored facial data. In security systems, it checks against lists of authorized individuals or those being monitored. This matching process is extremely fast, often completed in just a few milliseconds. But a major challenge arises. How do we ensure it's not a photo, video, or sophisticated mask? This is where liveness detection technology plays a powerful role in verification. It confirms the face is real by asking you to blink, turn your head slightly, or make simple movements. Advanced systems use 3D sensors to create a detailed depth map of the face. This precisely distinguishes a real face from flat, static objects like printed photos. What about external factors like changing light, facial expressions, or the natural aging process? Modern AI algorithms are trained extensively on vast, diverse data sets of millions of faces. They intelligently ignore temporary changes, focusing on stable, enduring facial characteristics. This ensures consistent recognition whether you grow a beard, wear glasses, or significantly change your hairstyle. Facial recognition technology is growing increasingly powerful and widely applied in daily life. From securing phones and unlocking doors to enabling contactless payments and enhancing border control, in the future, it could aid medical diagnoses or personalized shopping experiences beyond imagination. Yet, its use raises serious concerns about privacy and the ethical implications of widespread adoption.